36, this record is back in session with Honorable Reagan Evans presiding. While court's in session, there's no walking around, sleeping, talking, drinking, driving, in and out of the camera. When your name is called, please unmute your device if muted and give your full and undivided attention to, well, once again, your honor.
Good morning, Mr. Belway. This is the People versus Ramel Ross, ticket number SP 1405332, count 1, failure to yield right of way or interfere with traffic. That was count 1, and count 2 is no insurance misdemeanor. Good morning, please say your names for the record.
Sherika Harris on behalf of Mr. Ross. Mr. Ross, please state your name for the record.
Yes, ma'am. Romel Ross.
And I do know that we have an officer present for Mr. Ross's matter. If you wanted to state your name for the record.
Yes, good morning. Nicholas Hub, Detroit Police Department, 9th Precinct.
Your Honor, today is the date and time set for trial. The officer is present. Obviously, we have had a chance to review this matter. There is an amended offer wherein Mr. Ross could admit responsibility to limited access speed 1 to 5 over. We stipulate to the face of the ticket for purposes of the factual basis, and we stipulate to probable cause for the dismissal.
All right, the court will amend count 1 to limited access 1 to 5. We'll dismiss count 2 without prejudice. We'll proceed to sentence. There's a fine of $125, Mr. Ross, because this is a civil infraction. You have 14 days to pay this fine. Can you have the $125 paid by April 6th?
I'm sorry, Your Honor. Can you repeat the last part, please?
Can you have the $125 fine paid by April 6th?
I'm not sure exactly or I'm not sure if I will be able to by April 6th. Can I have a few days after that?
So I'll give you to April 20th. If you don't have it paid by then, it goes into default and you'll incur late fees.
Okay, that's perfect.
Any questions,
Thank you.
sir? You're welcome.
Sure.
Up to you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you, Officer. This is the People versus Randy Davis, ticket number SP 1261794, count 1, drive-out license suspended. Ticket number SP 1357299, count 1, drive-out license suspended, and count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Good morning, 3 minutes for the record.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of Mr. Davis. State your full name, Mr. Davis.
Randy Davis.
Your Honor, Mr. Davis would avail himself of the people's offer to allow him to enter a plea to improper plates, the license suspension charges to be dismissed.
Raise your right hand, Mr. Davis. Do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
Your hand down. You've had an opportunity to speak to an attorney in private about your case and your rights.
Yes.
Anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything of value in exchange for your guilty plea today?
Yes.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value in exchange for your guilty plea today?
No.
You're pleading of your own free will?
Yes.
You're pleading guilty because you're actually guilty?
I'm sorry, I couldn't hear the last part.
Are you pleading guilty because you're actually guilty?
Yes.
You understand that by pleading guilty, you're waiving your right to trial?
Yes.
And knowing that you're waiving your right to trial, you still wish to continue with your guilty plea?
Yes.
I'm going to direct your attention to July 20th, 2022 at 3:46 p.m. On that date and time, were you at near East Palmer and Field Street in the city of Detroit?
Yes.
Were you driving a 2007 Chevrolet vehicle?
Yes.
Do you not have insurance on that vehicle?
No, I did not have insurance on that vehicle.
You're satisfied, Mr. Berry?
Satisfied, Your Honor.
You're also satisfied factual basis. Well, do you stipulate the probable cause as to count 1 to be dismissed without prejudice?
So stipulated, Your Honor.
I'm sorry, and also the other ticket as well. You stipulate the probable cause?
Yes, Your Honor, so stipulated.
Those matters are dismissed without prejudice. Will proceed to sentencing. There's a $200 fine, Mr. Davis. Can you have that fine paid by April 24th?
Yes, I can.
Any questions, sir?
No, that's all.
You're all set, sir. Good luck to you.
All right, thank you.
This is the People versus Michael Daniel, ticket number SP 1279439, count 1, driver license not valid, or improper license, construction zone, count 2, improper plates. And ticket number SP 1407024, count 1, driver license not valid, or proper license, and count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Good morning, please say your name to the record.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of Mr. Daniel. State your full name, Mr. Daniel.
Michael Daniel Jr.
Your Honor, prosecutor indicates that their offer is implied plates. Mr. Daniel heard the court indicate that he's looking at failure to display.
If he wants to do the improper plates, it's fine.
We're also he's inclined to go the failure to display route, Your Honor, as the court indicated.
Would the improper plates probably benefit him? I think.
Yes.
Yes, Your Honor. Sorry, Cherica Harris, co-counsel, improper plates would be better for him.
Okay.
All right, raise your right hand, sir. Do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
Put your hand down. You've had an opportunity to speak to an attorney in private about your case and your rights.
Yes.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value in exchange for your guilty plea today?
No.
You're pleading of your own free will?
Yes.
You're pleading guilty because you're actually guilty?
Yes.
You understand that by pleading guilty, you're waiving your right to trial?
Yes.
Knowing that you're waiving your right to trial, you still wish to continue with your guilty plea?
Yes.
And direct your attention to the date of November 11th. Well, which one? I guess it doesn't matter. November 18, 2021 at 3:10 p.m. on that date and time were you at or near Elmira and Winthrop in the city of Detroit?
Yes.
Were you driving 2007 Jeep vehicle?
Yes.
You have improper plates on that vehicle?
Yeah. Excuse me, Your Honor. I'm sorry to stop you. The matter that we're speaking on right now at this moment, I was actually in court for it yesterday. The November 18th of 2021, correct? And that matter was handled yesterday. It was dismissed because the officer failed to appear.
Oh, you're correct.
Mom.
You are correct. So then, November 11th, 2022 at 3:05 p.m. Were you at or near Plymouth and Ashton in the city of Detroit?
Yes, ma'am.
Were you driving the 2007 Jeep vehicle?
Yes.
And did you not have insurance on that vehicle?
No, I did not.
You're satisfied, Mr. Berry?
Yes, Your Honor, satisfied.
All right. The court is also satisfied will amend the count to improper plates. You stipulate the proper cause as to count 1 to be dismissed without prejudice.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
It's just without prejudice will proceed to sentencing. There's a $200 fine. And you had the fine paid by April 24th.
Yes.
You are also, why didn't you just mention that you had other tickets yesterday? So we could have just taken care of everything yesterday.
Because I didn't know about it. That notice I actually got from my mother's house yesterday.
Oh, they're up for it. You got some more tickets that are coming on April 28th.
Oh, wow.
The civil infraction. What happened with the civil? So he still has to pay the improper, like,
Yes,
the civil infraction.
yeah,
Okay,
still.
okay.
I don't know what you want to do. Did you want to set those matters for trial or?
Yes,
We might have.
And when you come back, Mr. Daniels, remind me of what it is.
okay.
So raise your right hand, Mr. Daniel. Oh, no, you already under oath. You understand you do have, let me call those cases actually. Give me one moment. All right, we're also here on ticket number SP 1433402, count one, expired plate. Ticket number SP 1433406, count one, drove a license not valid on proper license, and count two, no insurance misdemeanor. As to these matters, you understand you do have the right to a jury trial.
Yes.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value to waive your right to a jury trial?
No.
All right, so the court is going to continue your not guilty plea, set these matters for a bench trial date on April 12th at 9 o'clock.
Okay.
All right, so you are all set. Come back on April 12th, and you, after that date, you should have everything taken care of.
Except for this.
Don't forget, Mr. Daniels.
Okay. I won't. April 12th.
And you still have a civil infraction that's in default that you're gonna have to pay.
Okay.
You should be all right. All right, so you're all set, sir.
Okay. Thank you very much.
All right, this is the people versus Jasmine Royster, ticket number SP 113554, count one, fails to display valid operator's license without a person. Ticket number SP 136283, count one, driver's license never acquired. Count two, no insurance misdemeanor. Ticket number SX 3964413, count one, no operator's license / multiple ops, no ops. Good morning, please say your names for the record.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of Mr. Royster. State your full name, Mr. Royster.
Jasmine Royster.
Your Honor, Ms. Royster would avail herself of the people's offer to allow her to enter a plea to improper plates and the licensing charges to be dismissed.
Raise your right hand, Ms. Royster. Do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
Your hand down. You've had an opportunity to speak to an attorney in private about your case and your rights.
Yes.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value in exchange for your guilty plea today?
No.
You're pleading your free will.
Yes.
You're pleading guilty because you're actually guilty.
Yes.
You understand that by pleading guilty, you're waiving your right to trial.
Yes.
And knowing that you're waiving your right to trial, you still wish to continue with your guilty plea?
Yes, ma'am.
I'm going to direct your attention to June 15, 2022 at 7:09 p.m. on that date and time. Were you at or near Joy Road in Warwick in the city of Detroit?
Yes.
Were you driving a 2010 Chevrolet vehicle?
Yes.
Did you not have insurance on that vehicle?
No.
You satisfied, Mr. Berry?
Satisfied, Your Honor.
All right, the court is also satisfied factual basis will accept the admission and will amend the count to improper plates. You stipulate your proper cause as to count the remaining tickets to be dismissed without prejudice.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
They're dismissed without prejudice. We'll proceed to sentencing. there's a $200 fine. Ms. Royster, can you have that fine paid by April 24th?
Yes.
Did you have any questions, ma'am?
I do. I just wanted to know, once clearing this up, would I be eligible after my reinstatement fee to get my license?
You have to contact the Secretary of State for that.
You have a bunch of civil.
You still have a bunch of civil infractions. I don't know if that's you from getting your license.
I know you had mentioned one of the tickets would interfere with me getting my license. That's why I asked that.
Yeah, I honestly don't know. You probably need to contact the Secretary of State for that.
Okay.
Because Mr. Berry knows. I'm not sure.
Okay,
Sorry about that.
that's fine.
Okay. Good luck to you, ma'am.
Thank you.
All right, so we still have Robinson and Nartasia. Oh, she's here, Nartasia Robinson.
I got many Robinson
I
stuff because I got so much stuff, like it's.
We're ready on Nartasia Robinson.
This is the people versus Nartasia Robinson. Ticket number SP 1400631, count 1. Driver's license never acquired, count 2. No insurance misdemeanor, count 3. Driver registered or entitled vehicle. Good morning, please say your name for the record, starting with Officer Kakish. Here, go ahead.
Sheriff Harris, on behalf of Ms. Robinson. Ms. Robinson, please state your name.
Nartasia Robinson.
And for purposes of the record, today is the date and time set for trial. The officer is present in the virtual courtroom. We are respectfully requesting that this matter be reset to a pre-trial so that Ms. Robinson can present her documentation to the court.
All right, so we'll reset this matter for a pre-trial for April 12th at 8:35.
Okay.
For all set, Ms. Robinson, I'll see you April 12th at 8:35. Good luck to you. Officer Kakish, I don't know if you can hear me. You are all set. Thank you. So, we still have Benny Robinson and Officer, there you go. Officer Hill is here, but I think Mr. Robinson has a number of tickets that are, I think, in warrant status. So I don't know. We can hang up Ms. Robinson. I'm gonna do Mr. Benny Robinson.